Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about our latest addition to our inventory, a 1968 Camaro. I'll tell you what, second year Camaro came out, in 67, 68. Really a super clean one. I'll give you the details in a moment. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about our latest acquisition. Boy, would this make someone a nice car. 1968 Camaro Coupe. And I'll tell you what, it is in its original color. It's got a black vinyl top, which is correct. It's got its original interior, lots and lots of detail. So you're going to want to watch this video from start to finish, because we're going to do a walk around, we'll do a cold start, we'll give you a lot more details of the car. You can also click on the link in the description and it'll take you right to our website, where you will have all the information there as well and whatnot. It'll be right there. Plus it'll have all our current inventory there also. So you want to visit our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. And you will see cars going back from the 1920s to the 1970s and beyond. So if you're looking for that classic collectible to add to your collection, chances are we have it in stock right here. So make us a favorite, as they say. No, this is an exceptionally nice car, great story. Cars that sell usually have great stories. The current owner has owned the car since 1996. Now, he was the third owner of this particular car, and it has always been taken care of impeccably. I mean, it has just always been in the hands of people who took really good care of it, and especially the fellow with the current has the car. He's given us details. Started life as a 327, currently not its original motor. It's at 350, but it has some nice upgrades. Take a look at that engine compartment. It is really, really nice and clean. Power steering. I mean, you have all that kind of stuff. Beautiful interior. The engine compartment, just very, very well done. Beautiful set of brand new Radial tires on it. I mean, I had to take the blue stuff off. They were that new. So we got brand new tires all the way around, and of course the old American Racing, which is very period correct, if you will, for 1968. I mean, a lot of guys would do that. That was a really common occurrence. Also has a 69 steel hood, which is really, really nice. I mean, it's just one of those cars that someone has really taken a lot of care of. Now, you're going to notice it has the RS options as well. It is one of those options that was available for these cars. Don't know if it started that way, but I'll tell you what, it's got all that stuff on it, which means it has the hideaway headlights. We even have a little video clip of those working. They all work perfectly, vacuum operated in 1968. They work perfectly. Very, very neat. Like I say, and it's a Rally Sport, had a few other options. The backup lights are in the rear valance. It's got a little extra chrome. All that kind of stuff just makes it just a little more special than your standard Camaro. Take a look at the interior of this car. Beautiful interior, absolutely as the way it came from the factory. This car has an unusual feature. It is a manual transmission, but it has a 3-speed in it with a center console. Very, very nice. It's in place just beautifully. Yeah, I like the fact that the dash is really nice. The padded dash is super clean. The car has beautiful paint all the way around. Like I said, been very, very well taken care of by the current owner. And it is a car that I actually took with the guy for a little test drive. Performs exceptionally well. Upgraded ignition. It's got a double pumper Holley carburetor on it. It's got hooker headers. It just has some really, really nice stuff. Very well put together. I guess rear spoiler, front spoiler, another one of those options, of course, that they have. Now you can find all of our cars on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. Give us a like. Leave us a comment or subscribe. We certainly appreciate it, and you'll find all information on this car, our current inventory, and actually some of the cars that we've sold in the past as well. So if you're just kind of perusing the internet, looking for some old car stuff to look at, check out those sites. I'm sure there'll be some interesting stuff there as well. Well, you know, it's one of those cars that once in a while you get in that you just go, it's got a tremendous good story. Came out of South Dakota originally, super clean. This is not a rusty car. I guess that's always one of those things you always want to be aware of, whatever, because they're kind of a unitized body with just the front subframe. Exceptionally nice and clean car as well. Nice dual exhaust, of course. Now, if you're like me, I would have to come down and look at it in person. We welcome that anytime you like. We are open Monday through Friday from 10 until 5 and Saturdays as well from 10 to 4. So if you need to come down, take a look at it in person, we're more than happy to show you around, let you take a look at this and close to 100 other vehicles that we currently have in inventory. Well, we thank you for watching our video today. If you have any additional questions, you can always find a lot of the answers on our website at www.Ellingson Motorcars. Give us a call. We're always ready to help, and we thank you again for watching, and we will see you next time down the road.
Mm-hmm.